Now the Kings with it again off the draw. Voynov sends it down into Jordan Nolan. Here's Nolan. St. Louis zone, trying to bring it out in front, but he got stopped, and Backus has it. Now back behind the St. Louis net. We're coming down to 5 minutes left to go here in the first period. Here's David Backus. Backus across the blue line. His pass deflected up in the air and off of the body of Ellerby. The Kings get it over to Jordan Nolan. Nolan's pass up the center ice. St. Louis with it. Here at home, the Blues this year, 6 games played. They're 3-2-1. Kings are going to change on the fly, and the Blues have a PJ Oshie back in his own zone.